In this video, we will discuss the Clients and Staff module and how to navigate it. Firstly, you should see what options you wish to have available for this part of the system. First, head to your system settings, then head to your client settings, and you'll find a range of services that can be enabled. Down further, you'll find the privacy settings, where as default, when a new member joins, you can choose to have certain information to be more restricted. For example, you can limit the visibility of your members' progress pictures to employees only, or you can select that nobody will be able to view them. Down a little further, you're able to adjust the date, time, and frequency of coaching emails. Now we can get started on adding a client. You'll be first taken to a page where you'll have an overview for any members you may already have. To add a new one, select Add New Client on the right-hand side, and you can start filling in the relevant information about your new member. For your clients to be able to use the app, the mandatory fields here are first name, last name, and email address. The email must not be shared with another member, as our system won't allow for duplicates. The rest of the information you can choose to fill in if you have it available, and then once you're finished, scroll down to the bottom. You can send an invitation automatically here, and then you select the Add option here, and this member will now be active within your system. If you happen to have a large number of members that have been added to your system, either by us importing or by you adding them manually, you're able to send out a mass invitation. To do this, you head to your dashboard, and then down here you'll find an option next to non-invited members. Select the envelope here and then select OK, and all non-invited members will receive an invitation individually. Now we head to the staff overview, where you can start importing your employees. Select this option on the right-hand side just to add a new employee, and you can start filling in their information. Important to know though, when adding a new staff member, you need to also check and assign relevant privileges depending on what parts of the system you would like for them to be able to have access to. If you would like more information about what each option does, click on this little blue information option here, and you can review the list. Once you're finished with filling in your staff details, scroll down, send an invitation, select Add, and they'll also be added as a new employee within your portal. Lastly, there are a couple of options available in your client overview to help you filter down your client list. You can search based on the status of your members, for example, active with membership, or even active with no profile. So then you're able to go through and resend any invitation, so then your members will have access to the app. Down further, you'll find an option to be able to export this information, and then you can select from the different types of downloads.